delicious soup that I prepared this morning. Okay, so we're all set up here. We got our fork, our spoon. We got soda. And of course, we have the soup. Take my fork. Oh yeah. Cheers. Really good soup. Yeah. So, really hot soup. Should have let it cool down first. Very hot. Now I gotta get some of that broth. Very good, very good. If you would like a recipe for this amazing soup, perfect for cold days when it's raining outside. I'll make another video soon, so subscribe if you want to know the recipe. Soda break. I love Pepsi. Oh, very hot. Oh, I see a potato. Potato time. Celery. Yuck. I hate celery in soups. But I'll still eat it. Looks like we just a bit left. Oh, yeah. It's a big piece of meat. Oh, hot. Oh, very hot. For the broth. Very good. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. The tutorial will be out soon.